Welcome back. Acting President of the GPCC, Francisco Sardina, has hinted that it was a mistake on the part of the Congress government not to scrap the regional plan. He also informed that he has asked the centre to allot 1,000 crore rupees to build Zuari Bridge.
Some of the areas which were shown as settlement earlier, and after 10 years, because no construction had come, and they were converted into orchard. So immediately I brought to the notice of the then Chief Minister and the other authorities, and I said this is wrong. See, many a time you think government is God. Even you were in the government, you would have made some mistakes. Because they made mistake today, they are out.
Sardina briefed media on Monday in Panji. He informed that he has asked for a good package from the centre for a new 6-lane Zuari Bridge.
Asking Prime Minister for a package to build Zuari Bridge. And this Parliament I will move it again. Though I brought to the notice last time of the government, if by any chance, God forbid, something goes wrong with Zuari Bridge, Goan economy will collapse. So I requested, being 50th year, that is our Golden Jubilee, give us a package to build Zuari Bridge.
A reporter from Panji, Devendra Kaukar.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has blamed the previous government for not sorting out differences with the MPT. He says there should be a healthy partnership between the state government and the MPT. Chief Minister has committed himself to complete the pending NH17B highway on priority. He plans to convene a meeting of all stakeholders, including National Highway Authority of India.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, along with Mormugao MLA Milind Naik and Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida, visited Mormugao Port Trust area on Monday. CM Parrikar was accorded a special welcome by CISF personnel upon his arrival. They held a meeting with MPT officials and discussed issues like completion of NH17B highway, Karewada fishing jetty, and rehabilitation of Karewada houses.
We wanted to know what is their plans and what are the areas of concern for both of us. So I expressed my areas of concern, he expressed their areas of concern. We'll come out with some solutions on the issue. But I believe in solution. 4-laning I want, but I want it in a particular mode. The last government was not ready to give some commitments, which we are ready to give provided. So we are thinking of calling meeting of all the people who are involved, including National Highway also. I believe that MPT should be an healthy partner with the state government. No central government agency can be in adverse relation with the state government, and no state government should be in adverse. It is a federal structure which we should respect each other.
MPT Chairman Mara Pandian expressed confidence that all the pending issues will be resolved cordially.
And Karewada issue, he said that basically he has got one or two alternatives in his mind he was thinking, which he has not revealed, but then he appears to be quite positive that he wants to find a solution to Karewada also. It's an excellent meeting, very cordial, excellent meeting, and Chief Minister has been very, very confident, very positive. With this kind of a confidence building, I'm sure that all issues can easily be sorted out without any kind of hassles.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
It's confirmed that DYSP Deo Banawalekar has overworked illegally in the police service without extension. Government advocate on Monday informed the High Court that actual date of birth of DYSP Deo Banawalekar is 8th February 1952. Registrar of Births and Deaths had submitted to the Vigilance Department the actual date of birth of Banawalekar. Meanwhile, police sources informed that DYSP Deo Banawalekar has now opted for voluntary retirement.
DYSP Deo Banawalekar, while joining the police department, had furnished his date of birth as 4th February 1956. While date of birth recorded in his college is 8th February 1952. The Registrar of Birth and Deaths has submitted to the Vigilance Department the actual date of birth of Banawalekar. The Vigilance Department is investigating the case of forgery against Banawalekar. Meanwhile, DYSP Deo Banawalekar has filed an application in Police Department for voluntary retirement.
जे पळय बर्थ डेटीचेर त्याच्या जे पळय आमी एलिगेशन केल्ले जे RTI मार्फत आमी घेतल्या की स्कूल जी पळय स्कुलान 1952 जे पळय बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट दाखयल्ल्या आनी पुलिशेन जॉयन जाताना 1956 अशी दाखयल्लेली आहा म्हणून तेचेर आमी डावट रेज करून जे पळय आमी पेटिशन फायल केल्ले त्या संदर्भान आयज हायकोर्टान जे तेंच्यांनी रजिस्टरा कडसून जो रिप्लाय येयल्लो आहा की तो खरोच 1952 जाल्लो आहा आनी कोर्टान जे पळय समानधारक अशे सगळे इन्क्वायरी पळय केल्ली आहा कोर्टाच्या तितून त्या इन्क्वायरीचेर आमी पूर्णपणे समाधानी आहा आनी जे पळय कितें फुडें कोर्ट पळय कितें डायरेक्शन दितलो तेचेर आमी पूर्णपणे समाधानी आसतलो.
रिपोर्टर फ्रॉम पणजी नवदीप आग्यार with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
From mending nets to mending the net. This is a journey of a boy coming from a background of fishing community and who is heading towards the IT industry thanks to Bethesda Life Center, a home for children and women in distress, which forwarded its helping hand to fulfill his dream. Here is a report.
Hub Connecting People, a community center, has been helping people to survive the life they want to. Today we have Rajesh with us, who has also taken benefits of this community center. How you reached to Goa and how you reached to the center?
As my dad was working here as a fisherman, so I came along with him. As we did not have a proper house, and someone told me about this institution, and so I came here to stay.
Now what you are doing, Rajesh, and what are your future plans?
I finished writing my 12th board, and I plan to take admission in Don Bosco.
Don Bosco for what?
BCA.
Any message to the people who are striving hard to leave?
Yeah, people like us don't lose hope and believe that there are many homes here, and you can get chance in one and build a future.
A hub connecting community for a cause was inaugurated at Karanjali in Panji. They organized various courses and events as a helping hand for the children and women in distress.
So, and we take children from different backgrounds. Mainly we take children of AIDS victims and children of sex workers, and we have children from unfortunate backgrounds as well. So, but then we give them dignity. One thing that we want to see is we want to see them living a dignified life.
A reporter from Panji, Aparna Gondarkar, with video journalist Onkar Farari and Prajot Pednekar.
All India Motor Transport Congress has now demanded that the diesel prices should be reduced in the state. They claim that this will help to reduce the inflationary pressure on the state. They met the Transport Minister Sudhin Dhaulikar with their other demands of truck parking terminal and driver training institute. The association informed that the Transport Minister has assured to fulfill the demands.
जिस तरह आपने पेट्रोल की कीमतों में कमी की है, इसी तरह आप ट्रांसपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री और ट्रकर्स के हित को ध्यान में रखते हुए इसमें भी कमी लाएं, क्योंकि इसका जो लाभ सीधे तो सीधा कॉमन मैन पर पहुंचेगा, आम आदमी पर पहुंचेगा और महंगाई पर इसका असर पड़ेगा. जो इन्फ्लेशन है आपके स्टेट में जरूर कम होगी.
Members of All India Motor Transport Congress and Ponda Goods Transport Association met the Transport Minister Sudhin Dhaulikar on Monday. They had a list of demands: an act to tackle overloading by trucks, need for truck terminal, drivers training institute, and relaxation in educational qualification for national permit vehicle drivers.
और एक आश्वासन लेके हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं कि जो पार्किंग की फैसिलिटी है वो जल्द से जल्द उपलब्ध होगी. ड्राइवर ट्रेनिंग स्कूल है वो जल्द से जल्द गोवा में बनेगा, और ट्रक टर्मिनल उन्होंने कहा है कि वैसा हम बनाएंगे जो कि एक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड का ट्रक टर्मिनल होगा और जो पूरे देश भर के लिए एक रोल मॉडल होगा कि इस तरह के ट्रक टर्मिनल बनाए जाते हैं.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.